Very good morning, dear students. In the previous video, I show you that how can you use the some of the properties, background properties. There are the four background properties we learned: background color, image, position, and the repeat. After it, we learned the text properties. In the text property, there will be a color, text align, text decoration, text transformation, and text indent. This thing we already learned. Now we are go ahead. We are for the last property of CSS, that is the CSS fonts. In that there are the three types of CSS fonts properties that you have to be used. First, font family, font style, and font weight. One by one we are learning what is the font family. uh, for example, if you want to be used the Times New Roman, Arial, etc., everyone knows what is the types of the font. If you want to be used that, you have to be use the font family property, or you can say that it's a type of font. It will be display the text to the next font and so on. Firstly, I will be show the simple one, then we will be use this property. So first, here is the example is given: P font family equals to Time New Roman, Arial, Calibri. What is the meaning of that? Okay. So first we will be take the example for the font family, then we will be go ahead. It will be show the one by one style. Firstly Times New Roman, then Arial, and then the Calibri. So I already made the structure of HTML. You can see here. Now in the title, I am write the CSS fonts. First I saved it, then show you the demo. Okay, normal text file, CSS fonts .html, or you can choose from here also the hypertext markup language, and you can save it. So it's saved. Write a paragraph. I'm not applying anything here. First we will be check the demo, then we will be go ahead. CSS fonts. H1 closed. After it, I'm using the p tag. This is a demo for CSS fonts family property. Close the p. Okay, I just saved it, and first we will be run it. You can see here it's a simple one. Now firstly we will be apply the font family on the p tag. So firstly I have to be write down in the head tag the style, tag, then in the p tag I'm using the curly bracket. P tag, and here I'm using the first property, that is the font family. Okay, in that, for example, first I'm write here the Times New Roman, and saved it. See the difference? It's already Times New Roman, so it will be not change. I'm taking the another one. You can see here the Arial. comma, Arial. Sorry, I don't save it. Sorry. So it will be changed. Maybe the browser is not support the font, so that's why it will be not displayed to you, but this is the correct one. Or you can use the Calibri. First I remove the Times New Roman as it's a by default. Control S and show you the difference. So it's a changed. First it will be take the Times New Roman, then it will be take the second one, that is the Arial. If Arial is also not supported, it will be take the Calibri. So Arial is supported, so the text will be changed. Now next property is the font style. Font style means the if you want to be make your text in the bold, italic, underline, that purpose you have to use. Okay, one more thing is remaining in this. Okay, first this is it's a paragraph wise. Whenever you copied it, and for the second paragraph it will be supported the Calibri. Second sentence demo. So you can see the difference. So first it will be take the Calibri. Here I'm write the Times New Roman. And it will just show you the difference. Right? Next is the font style. The font style property is mainly used for the italic the text. For example, for the bold we are using the B tag, right? But here if you want to do the particular style, for that purpose you have to use the font style property. In that, italic is for, you know that italic means it will be slant the text. And if you are using the simple one, if you are write the normal, it will be show the normal text. As you can see displayed, it will be displayed previously. What is this written here? P dot italic, this is the class. That's why it will be written with the dot. यहाँ पे क्या होगा, ये जो प्रैक्टिकल है उसमें क्लास बनाया होगा, इसलिए यहाँ पे डॉट लिखा हुआ है. डायरेक्ट भी लिख सकते हो. As I am going to do that. Font style okay, this one. Italics, semicolon, saved it. Sorry. And F5. Okay, as I'm forgetting here, write one thing. Type equals to text CSS and saved it. Font style, it will be italics. Okay, there are the two paragraphs are there. Okay, I'm using for the different one. If you are using the class, if you want to be make a class, so you can be make it and do this one. अलग से अगर आपको क्लास बना के करना है तो भी आप इसको कर सकते हो. If you want to be directly write down, you can be. Next and the last property of font, that is the font weight. How much you want to be show your text thicker, that purpose you have to use the font weight. It will be in form of the normal, as you can see, thick, that is the bold, otherwise you can be write down the particular weight कितना thick वो दिखना चाहिए. Firstly I will be show for the bold. So font, weight, bold. F5 and it will be bold also and font also. वहां पे मैंने S ज्यादा लिख दिया था इसलिए वो नहीं दिखा रहा था, slant नहीं हो रहा. It will be write the only the italic. So it will be show you the bold. For example, if you write the particular right here the normal, it will be show you the normal. Sorry. So it will be convert to the normal text. Whenever you are write a particular weight, for example 500, so it will be show that type of weight. I'm increasing it by the 800, so it will be changed. It's like a bold, वो इस तरह से दिखेगा आपको, right? So these are the font properties. 3 font property we are learned: font family, font style, and the font weight. Now last topic is the HTML5. What is the meaning of HTML? HTML means a hypertext markup language. You can see some of the times that when we are doing the practical, at that time some of the things, some of the properties are not supported on the browser. For that purpose, it's a developer are develop a one new version of HTML that is called the HTML5. Nowadays it's a use for the developers, not for us. You have to be just take a information for that. It's a latest standard form of HTML. It is used to deliver the rich multimedia content without the plugins. It supports the multiple platforms like a PC, tablet, smartphone, smart TV also. You can see here nowadays you can download the HTML in the mobile phone also. अभी आप मोबाइल फोन में भी अपना HTML प्रैक्टिकल कर सकते हो, प्रीवियस ईयर्स में नहीं होता था, right? So it's a very advanced of HTML. It's a major browser supported for HTML5. पहले नहीं होता था, कुछ ब्राउजर में कुछ चीजें, कुछ प्रॉपर्टी सपोर्ट नहीं होती थी, लेकिन अभी सब कुछ सपोर्ट हो रहा है इन द HTML5. Sorry. So you have to just remember the introduction. It will be released on 1990s. Since then, the internet has changed drastically. Special designed to deliver the rich multimedia content. You have to remember the main goal of HTML5. Why we are using this? It delivered from the animation or graphics or music to movies. We can also add in our web page graphics and animations. It's supported the multiple platforms. As I told you in the previous year, it will be not supported to the smartphone and smart TV. It is only supported for the PC and the tablet. All the major browsers support the new HTML elements and they continue to add a new HTML features to their latest version. Okay, so here we done our HTML chapter, but I want to inform you everyone that as you know about regarding the syllabus for the half yearly exam, this chapter will be not came in your examination. But students, remember after your examination there will be a practical and project exam also, that is totally depend on this chapter. वो पूरा इसी चैप्टर पे डिपेंड रहेगा. तो इसकी वजह से अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि हम नहीं करेंगे तो चलेगा, it's not good, right? So please be revise this chapter after your examination, so it's easy for you to give the practical and project exam. Okay, so now going to end. Bye everyone, have a good day.